So this is Ryan A, and step 4, right? This is completing your website, uh, linking your hosting with your domain name, and starting building, right? So this is what I did already for one of my clients. So I'm just going to go in the back end and show you what it looks like. And then, yeah. So let me make myself small. Okay, so we're in the back end. We went through the process of purchasing all of the different things. So purchasing WP Engine hosting, purchasing the GoDaddy domain name, and getting the DV builder set up, right? So now I'm going to get into actually linking all of it so we could start building the website. And as I said, this is what I did for a client before. So yeah. So WP Engine, the backend. So we're going to be working with this website, officialmattgambrell.com. But initially, so let me go in. Initially, it would not have been this. It would have been officialmattgambrell.wpengine.com, right? So it would have just been linked directly to the hosting agent, and you would not have the link to GoDaddy yet, right? So I would open and show you what that looks like exactly, right? So then you would see the domain here. Also, before you would not have seen the domain name. So let me just take you the process of how you get that set up, because initially this will not be there and you would just see the same thing I told you just now, mattgambrell.wpengine.com, and you would want to link that to the domain name that you purchased, which would be this, okay? So the first thing you would do is take this IP address, right? So you go to products. Come on, fly. There's a fly giving me problems here. Let me go from the beginning. So you go to My Products. When you log into your GoDaddy account, it would give you a list of all the domains that you have. You go to Manage. Great. And then, oh, no, sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. You're supposed to go to DNS. This is your domain name server. Right, and then all of this information here, as you can see, this value. So usually when you get the website done, purchased, this will be just www. So then you would copy. So as you can see, this IP address is the same. You would copy that IP address. You would have clicked this edit button. You would have clicked this edit button and you would just paste it here and click save. That's it. That's the only thing that you have to do, so that the domain name will be linked to that hosting account, right? That's the only thing you have to do on GoDaddy. Everything else will be done on the hosting agent and then on the back end through WordPress, right? So we could close that out. And then your second step will be to add this domain, right? So that's the actual domain, but let's go in to show you what the back end looks like. So you want to click domains on the left hand side here, and then all you would do, so initially you would have just seen the mattgambrell.wpengine.com, and you would not have these two here, right? So you would just click add domain, and add both the official mattgambrell.com and the www.officialmattgambrell.com. And meaning you add the .com and the www, because when people are searching, they're either going to use one of the two, and there aren't any other options. If you have other domain names that you do direct to your specific website, so let's say, for example, you have www.u.com, you're going to add here u.com and www.u.com, right? And then they're going to ask you to either, if you want to make one of these the primary, and I usually set the www as the primary. So you can see I can't click this link because this is set as the primary domain. And let's say you had www.net, it is the same process. So you just direct that to this domain and it will show up. So you just, as I said, if you purchase more than one domain, that's the only reason you want that kind of thing, right? And if you have any questions, if I'm not being clear, just comment and I would make things very clear. It's a very straightforward process, right? So after you add those domains, it's going to take, I would say, possibly a max of 24 hours for it to get cleared and search and so on, and then for it to be confirmed. And once that's done, then you could go straight to the WordPress admin, right? So you just click this here, WordPress admin. That will take you into the back end. You would have gotten the login information from WP Engine to your email for you to just put in and start building your website, right? Okay, so next step, you log in. So we're done with hosting. As I said, this is a very straightforward process. You're done with hosting. You're done with the GoDaddy setup. So you're done with those two things, right? The last step is to install the Divi plugin, right? So let's go to Elegant Themes. All right. So once you go to elegantthemes.com and you log in and you download that same Divi plugin that we got from the last video, I will show a link to the video after so that you could go back and look at it if you want and if you don't remember. But all you have to do now is appearance, theme. So this is in the back end of the website. And always remember your website, if you can't get into WP Engine and you don't want to go through the process of doing that every time, it is just yourwebsite.com/WP-admin. Let's say, for example, www.com/WP-admin, and that will take you to the backend, right? I always recommend saving your password. You could use LastPass, by the way. I think it's amazing and necessary. But yeah, right? And then you would just upload. So you just add a new theme, upload theme, choose file, and then the name of the file will be Divi. I think I have it somewhere here. The name of the file will be divi.zip. I think it's a zip file. And once you upload it, it's going to go directly onto here, and then you're going to see it loaded right here, and you just click activate, right? So the next step that I'll speak to you about is a child theme, and I'll show you how you put that child theme in because it's necessary. Yes, you want to upload Divi. Yes, you're using Divi, but there's a difference between the initial plugin that they send you and the one that you need to use to build. And it's really based on updates. Sometimes some of the updates will affect this initial plugin, and if you get the child theme, you will not have that problem. So I will give you that in the next video. I also have a course that gives all of this in one. So if you don't want to go through these videos one by one and you want a little more in-depth and a little more attention as to how to go through this step by step and get it done and even optimize this skill for monetization, right? Like making money from this. Because that's how I make money in the internet now, right? If you want a free, I've been giving away this course like for the last 5 videos because I only have a couple coupons left, and someone bought the course yesterday, and I was like, you could have gotten the free coupon if you looked at my videos. But I'm not angry also because we're about making money. But if you do want the free course, message and say, hey, I want the free course of this thing. I would like to know how to build websites from scratch and make money from it, and I'll send it to you. Really, like, it's not that big of a deal. It's my first course and I'm just starting, guys. And I'm sharing this knowledge because I love that I could do web design and I could travel the world and play beach football, which is what I really do. But yes, so I hope you did enjoy. Subscribe, click the notification button. There's a little bell next to subscribe so you could be notified when I post new videos. And yeah, follow us, right? We have Honest Web Design on Facebook. Add me on Facebook or something and we'll talk. Okay? Talk to you soon.